Hello everyone, my name is Paramita De Banerjee. I am the student of JBIHM, Kolkata. I will show you how to make tower folding art in different designs. First, I will show you how to make swan folding art. For swan folding art, we need 2 bar towel. Here I have 2 bar towel. I will take the first one. Then fold it in half. Then lie it down on the bed. Then roll it from right side upper corner edge. Do it very slowly. Then do the left side also. Do like this. And bring them in the both of them inside. Then take another bottle. Do it like that. Now I will make the body of swan. Portfolios. Now it is done.